Hey everybody, it's Cousin Mike here from Landon Custom Classics. Got a cool new product to check out today. We're going to do a review. We're going to do some updates in the future here. What we got here is the Wowcatch Flying Insect Light Trap. The cool little trap has really cool little LED lights on it. It has UV light mixture, and it's a specific frequency to drawing more insects than your average one. So let's see what's in the box here. Got our warranty packet here, whatever. We don't need that. Don't think we need instructions. It's pretty self-explanatory. So we have the trap here. You see all the little LED lights on there. It's got 5 lights to cover all the different directions. Like I say, the frequency of the light, it's supposed to draw bugs in better from a further distance than your average one. Plug folds away there. Flip it out. It comes with 3 adhesive pieces here to go on it. Take one off here. See, they're little adhesive cards. You don't have to touch the adhesive, you touch the outside. All we're going to do is peel the tape away here. There you go. And the other side. What this is going to do, the light draws the bugs in, and they want somewhere to sit, so they're going to land on this. Before we put that on here, have a cord here. Got my little extension cord. Plug that in so you can see nice bright little LED lights. Got 2 different kinds of bulbs, it looks like here. These ones have 2 like little smaller lights, and these ones are bigger light. I'm sure there's a specific reason they did that. So pretty bright. Well, here. So we'll take this and we'll take our card here without touching it. Get a grip on it here. Just touch the sides. You don't have to touch the insects. You don't get sticky on you. All you do is a little slot here with a little divider in the middle, and it has little pieces in there to kind of press on this so it doesn't just slip out. You turn this upside down. Stays in there nicely. Great fit. All you're going to see when you look at it on the wall is this. Has a light sensor also. Didn't know that. Oh no, I was just moving the plug, I guess. I was like, I didn't think it had a light sensor. It's always on. Anyway, that was a little weird. But so what we're gonna do, we're gonna take this and we're gonna plug it in an outlet behind me. My dad has a lot of fresh fruit and stuff like that in his house here. So we get fruit flies as our main thing. So we're going to check on this tomorrow and see how it looks. See, we got a bunch of bugs on this little card here. So stick around, and if you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe. We'll be right back. Okay guys, just a little follow up here. This is one day. My dad's been having a problem with fruit flies pretty bad. There's that side. You can see them on that side on the inside. So yeah, in one day, this thing has taken care of a lot of the flies and problem my dad's had in his house. So I'm going to leave this over here so we can continue to catch bugs. But yeah. Okay everybody, so this is our final video here on the Wowcatch trap here. Let's see what we got here. Notice there's not really any fruit flies flying around my dad's kitchen anymore. We got a pretty good amount on here. This is after 1 week of use, and like I say, we're not seeing any bugs around the house anymore. The trap's got a good bit on there. I've just been keeping it here in my dad's kitchen by where he stores his fruit and all that good stuff. So I'd like to thank the people at Wowcatch for sending me this awesome trap so we could do a review video on it. It puts away easily. Like if you're not using it, you can close that up, stick it somewhere. It's not really noticeable. When people walk in your house, all they see is this. So, looks great, works great all around. As far as I can see, it's an awesome little trap, and you don't have to get messy when you take these out. You touch the edges, no stickiness here. It's all on the pad. So you just grab the card, throw it in the garbage, slide your new card in. You're ready to keep going. And with LED lights on this, it should last a really long time. So I appreciate y'all tuning in. If you haven't already, please like, comment, subscribe, and we'll have more videos coming soon. Thanks, y'all. Have a good one.